there, Puddy. What you got there, Miss Puds? Christmas comes early for the Puddy.
I see that. Aren't you lucky, Janie?
I had to take off the Christmas stuff.
She loves it.
Well, it's pre-Christmas today. We're going to get a tree.
She was like, stop playing completely, waiting for you to come out the door. She's going crazy on this thing, scratching it, trying to get into the water. And so I filled up her water bowl. She did take a drink, but then she came back to it like, how do I get in there?
Oh, Puddy.
I don't know. It's like a way of TV.
She's got this thing. She was standing up on her hind legs looking at me. I could see her head over the bed. She was up on her hind legs. And then she does this hop sideways across the floor.
I know. It's so funny. I don't know where she learned that, but...
Watching TV, probably. Oh, Puddy, no.
Hey, I'll take you on, too.
Let nothing escape.
All comers.
I pity the fool.
You're the best around, Jane.